Want to give your iPhone's home screen a personal touch? Setting up your own photo widgets is a fun way to display your favorite memories. Widgets on iOS lets you showcase photos right on your home screen, adding a special flair to your device. Let's dive into how you can set up your very own photo widgets on your iPhone. Step 1. Select the photos you want to add. First, open your Photos app. Then scroll down to find your albums. Next, tap on Albums. After that, select Create Album. Now give your new album a name. Finally, add the photos you want to feature. Step 2. Add your widget to your phone. Start by pressing and holding the home screen until the icons start to jiggle. Then tap the plus icon in the top left corner. Next, select Add Widget. After that, scroll down and tap on Photos from the list of available widgets. Swipe it left to ensure you select your album. Now choose your desired widget size. Tap on Add Widget. Wait a moment for it to load. Then tap Choose to select the album you just created. Pick the photos you want to display. Now tap on any empty space on your home screen. There you go, your widget will automatically showcase random photos from your library. By following these simple steps, you can easily set your own photo widgets and make your iPhone home screen truly yours. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.